Hey everybody, today we're gonna compare MUFFLER DELETE Escalade and MUFFLER DELETE 5.7 liter Challenger. It's right here. We know who is the winner is. Now sound from the sound from the inside. He didn't smoke weed, блядь. Как будто накурились, блядь. Yeah, we did like 5 stop and record again because English is not the first language, and feedback is saying some bullshit. Basically, 2016 Escalade with a muffler delete sound from the inside. I still have the AFM cylinder deactivation. Basically, when it go to 4-cylinder mode, it's really annoying. And yes, it's droning on a highway, especially in the long trips. You can hear the 4-cylinder right now. I don't know if you guys can hear. Sounds change when switching to 4-cylinder. What do you think? Your car more louder inside or this one?
My car? No, not louder.
This one louder inside?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah. It sounds cool right now, but when you go for a long trip, it's really annoying. But I'm gonna do something about this. Probably gonna delete the resonator as well, because my dad's car louder than mine is kinda pissing me off. That's okay. We're gonna fix this. He called my car hair dryer. He say, your car sound like a fan. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna show you the fan. What do you think? Is the sound good inside?
Yeah, not bad.
Let's see how it sound on a 4-cylinder now.
4-cylinder like
Can you-
like it's fan.
Can you tell? It's 4-cylinder now.
Yeah, look like it's fan.
Yeah.
No.
Little stupid 4-cylinder. We didn't buy 6.2 liter for 4-cylinder. We want an 8-cylinder. If we want a fuel economy, we buy Prius or Honda Civic or some shit like this. We buy these cars for fun, plus I got this big car for my family. But for fun too, because you can buy a minivan for a family. You wanna get a big V8 for a exhaust, for a power. Pretty soon, it's gonna be no V8s. It's gonna be only 2 liter, 3 liter max engines with turbos, and probably after that, it's gonna be only electric cars. We don't like electric cars. Russian people like loud cars, right?
Yes,
Electric cars is for
just true.
Valerons. I can tell you one thing. Even though Challenger sounds so much better right now, Escalade look better from outside. What do you think?
Maybe. I don't know.
It's not like it's look better. It's look more expensive.
Yes, it doesn't matter.
It should look expensive, more expensive it is. But Challenger is very, very beautiful car.
Very sexy.
Sexy, yes. Especially your Challenger.
Exactly.
Because you got my favorite interior, favorite color,
Yeah.
chrome delete. Exactly how I wanted it.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm glad you have it, because I can drive it sometime too. Now we're gonna compare Escalade interior sound to Challenger interior sound. interior. It's Mopar cat skin. Yeah. That's one of the best looking RT Challengers I ever saw. Black wheels, black spoiler, basically no chrome. Wow, that's look mean. Now we inside the Challenger with a muffler delete. It's a regular mode, no sport mode, nothing, just regular. I'm gonna drive and see how is it compared to the Escalade. It's quieter inside, I can definitely tell. My car is way louder inside, but it's not as loud as in the outside. It's okay, we're gonna fix it. This car is very comfortable. Are you gonna put a sport mode? My dad put the sport mode. He want me to do this. Wow, look at this sound. Yeah. My dad is still young. He lost 90 pounds on a keto diet. Right?
Yes.
How you like keto diet?
I like it.
You like it? I like it too, but I like when other people do. Not me. Come on.
Be careful.
I like eat a lot. This car sounds so beautiful. Sport mode, baffles are open, or the valve, whatever they call it, and it stay loud and RPM stay high too. I put it back on the normal mode because on a sport mode you always feel like you want to drive like crazy Russian person, but I'm fine with driving like crazy Russian person, but in the United States you get a ticket. No thank you. Now we're gonna go in an empty road, very famous open thing, downshift. Go to regular mode. Oh, it wasn't even sport, it was regular mode. This is only 5.7 liter, but it feels amazing. It's a really fun car. A lot of people say 5.7 is slow, but it's not. It's really not slow. It's a really fun car, and it sounds really good. What do you think?
Yeah?
Yeah,
I agree.
6.4. Have 100 more horsepower, it's faster, but I know very good. 6.4 is faster, but who cares? We're not racing nobody. We're just driving for fun, and for fun this is more than enough. It's still a V8, it still have a beautiful sound. think I'm driving like crazy Russian person? You don't drive like this?
Well, sometimes.
When you have a good mood? But this is the reason of cars like this. When you have a bad mood, this car will make you have a good mood. When you have a good mood,
Yeah.
you're gonna have a better mood, but sometimes it can make your mood bad. I can tell you why, because if you got a ticket, after you get
I understand.
after
Yeah.
you get a
I
ticket,
know.
you're driving for 2 months.
I know, man.
Like a Prius. Wow, this. You guys comment on below what car you guys think is better sound. I personally think Challenger sounds better.
I think you too.
Yeah. Even though Chevy 62 sounds good, but I need the resonator delete. And maybe third cat delete too. Because just like this is doesn't even comparable.
Okay, bye guys.
See you.